Iconic WORKMATE Project Center, classic portable folding work table and vise for carpentry, woodworking, DIY projects, automotive work and more. Rugged stability, holds up to 550 pounds with heavy-gauge steel frame and laminated bamboo stock worktop. Versatile strength, adjustable jaws, vertical clamping, and 4 adjustable swivel pegs for irregularly shaped objects. Easy setup, folds open and closed in seconds for easy setup and storage. More ways to work, large working surface with extra block easily converts to vise. One-handed clamp system. Adjust vise clamps independently or together for versatile grip on all kinds of objects. Better leverage. Under the table footrest gives you better leverage and stability for planing and woodworking. Dual height adjustment. Fold under legs for lower height and larger projects. 550 lb capacity. Sturdy and reliable heavy-gauge steel frame for projects big and small. Top reviews from the United States. Gets the job done. Easy to store and easy to set up. Just what I needed for a portable workbench. Is sturdy and I would recommend.